Welcome to day 2. Today is Wednesday, September 9th, 2020. This video is going to give you an explanation of the assignments and what to expect for today. You have the video explanation of the day. Then you are going to go to Async. Async is work that we do independently by ourselves. In the Async folder, you have 2 assignments to complete. The first one you must complete, you have to watch a video on how to add the Carlos Rosario Gmail to your phone. Watch the video and then add the Gmail to your phone. Second assignment is a Schoology discussion post. Tell us something interesting about yourself. I am giving you the explanation, a quick explanation, but it is very, very important to always read the entire assignment before you begin. So what you're going to do, you are going to pick one of these facts here and say how it relates to you. Okay, so for example, I would pick, I would love to meet and have lunch with. This person is still alive, so my answer is Michelle Obama. And then I would give an explanation. But I put all of my explanation here in the comment box. Always remember to check for spelling before you post. Now we're going to look at the synchronous. Synchronous on Wednesdays is very different. On Wednesdays, we have office hours in the evening, and in the morning, is an activity with student services. So for a Wednesday evening class, you will click on Sync Office Hours and you will get an explanation about what office hours is. Office hours are the time where you can come in and you can ask me questions. I can help you with clarifications. Anything you need to be successful in class, you can come in and ask me. I will be here in the Zoom. Here's the Zoom link, and you just come in and I can help you with whatever it is that you need assistance with. And that's it for today. Good luck.